Are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
For Shabbat?
For Shabbat.
Did you come to synagogue?
Yes, we came to synagogue.
Did you say Shabbat Shalom?
Yes, we said Shabbat Shalom.
Did you sing some Shabbat songs?
Oh no!
We need to sing some Shabbat songs.
There's a dinosaur knocking at my door. Knocking 1, 2, 3. There's a dinosaur knocking at my door, and he wants to spend Shabbat with me. First we light the candles, then we drink the wine, then we eat the challah, which tastes so fine. There's a dinosaur knocking at my door, knocking 1, 2, 3. There's a dinosaur knocking at my door, and he wants to spend Shabbat with me.
Hi Tevye, it's so good to see you. Shabbat Shalom.